Weld-On Walt, how to solvent weld PVC pipe. Before welding pipe, make sure you have safety glasses, gloves, a deburring tool, pipe cutter, and easy twist weld-on can opener. Step 1. Cut the pipe square. Step 2. Bevel at least 10 degrees and remove burrs with the weld-on deburring tool. Step 3. Clean the pipe with a rag to remove dirt and moisture. Step 4. Check the fit. The fitting should go over the end of the pipe and become tight about halfway on. Step 5. Apply weld-on primer to soften the surface. Always use a primer on pressure systems and in cold weather. Apply 10 rotations to the outside of the pipe. Apply 10 rotations to the inside of the fitting. Step 6. Shake the cement can before opening to activate the chemicals. Apply weld-on cement. Apply 5 rotations to the outside of the pipe. Apply 5 rotations to the inside of the fitting. Apply 5 rotations to the outside of the pipe again. Step 7. While the pipe and fitting are still wet, twist the fitting a quarter turn while inserting and hold for 30 seconds. Step 8. Wipe off the excess cement. Step 9. Allow the pipe to cure to the recommended time. Heavier cements and damp or humid conditions will require longer cure times. Step 10. Tighten the caps on the primer and cement with the Weld-On Easy Twist tool and admire your job well done.